vlog, and we are in new country which is Portugal, and to be precise the city is Lisbon, and officially you can see I got the stamp, and let's see how the city is gonna be, so let's explore the place. So guys, as you all know, we are in Portugal और impressive कि Vodafone यहाँ भी चलता है. So if you guys are coming and you have a Vodafone SIM card, you can check the international package. So now we are heading towards the baggage area, and we're gonna take our bag and we'll head towards the hotel. So let's go. Guys, I got my bag and now we are heading toward hotel. So it's gonna be a budget-friendly trip. So I'm gonna tell you what is most affordable transit from airport to our hotel. So let's go and check it out. Just in front of our airport there is the underground metro. So हम यहाँ पर आए हैं, we're gonna purchase the ticket, and यहाँ पे हमें 2 ट्रेन बदलना पड़ेगा, and metro, which is the cost of metro is not that expensive, which is just 1.5 euros. I'm gonna tell you the exact price, so let's purchase that. As you can see, I got this card, which is basically the metro and bus card. This is 50, which is like half euros, and you have to purchase this once for your entire trip, and you can reload it each day. It's gonna be 24 hours for 1.80 euros, which is good for any metro or any buses throughout the Lisbon here. Just gonna show you guys how you can get your card here, and we'll do
without
pictures and per
one
person
card,
card,
continue.
and then continue. Then this is the one that you have to get bus and metro, which is 1.80 euros. This one and one ticket, then continue. Then this will show you the total. This is the cost for the card, and this is total. You can pay whatever is the best method. So we're gonna tap our card here.
So guys, as you can see, we are in metro and we are heading to Almeida. That's our first stop. After that, we would be taking another metro that would take us to our hotel in Rocio.
पहुंच चुके हैं अल्मेडा, जो हमारा फर्स्ट स्टॉप पॉइंट है. इसके बाद हम दूसरी मेट्रो पकड़ेंगे जो हमें ले जाएगा हमारे होटल. सो यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा तरीके से वो लोग ने राउट रिप्रेजेंट किया है. हमने फर्स्ट रेड राउट किया था, एंड द सिंबल यू कैन सी देयर, वैसा सिंबल है. देयर इज 4 राउट, एंड दिस इज द फर्स्ट वन वी टुक, एंड द नेक्स्ट इज गोना बी द ग्रीन वन, जो रिप्रेजेंट किया है सेल बोट के लिए. सी देयर, सो वी गोना कैच इट. सो लेट्स गो. मेट्रो इज़ वेरी कन्वीनियंट, और हर स्टॉप लाइक इवन 13 सेकेंड्स में आ जा रहा है हर स्टॉप, विच इज़ रियली गुड. इट्स टाइम सेविंग, और हम पहुँच चुके हैं मेट्रो स्टेशन. अब हम जा रहे हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट लोकेशन, विच इज़ गोना बी आवर होटल. और फर्स्ट impression of this country is amazing. I'm loving this place. You can see the cleanliness, and the metro service is really convenient. We are first timer here, and we are loving it. So let's enjoy this place.
So let me tell you guys, just coming out of the metro station, this is the beauty you get in Lisbon.
हम जैसे मेट्रो से बाहर निकले, we saw this beauty, and I'm loving this vibe. हमें होटल जाना था, बट हम अभी होटल नहीं जा रहे. वी आर जस्ट एक्सप्लोरिंग द स्ट्रीट हियर एंड यू कैन सी इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल. लाइक आई एम लविंग इट. आई एम गोना स्पेंड सम टाइम हियर एंड देन वी विल हेड टू आवर होटल. हमारा चेक इन टाइमिंग था 11 o'clock, बट इट्स 1 PM ऑलरेडी. लेट्स सी हम कब जाते हैं, बट वी गोना एंजॉय हियर.
So the reason why we have selected Rossio because it is the liveliest square in the city where you see the people sitting, relaxing, enjoying their drink outdoor, and also the either side of the square has got two beautiful fountains, and in the middle is a monument that represents justice, wisdom, and the strength.
Each country have its own uniqueness, and we are in Lisbon, as you all know, and I am just loving this place. Just look at the street here. So guys, we have reached our hotel. You can see Hotel Alex Rossio. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but हम पहुंच चुके हैं होटल के पास. हम अभी डिसाइड कर रहे हैं कि हम कौन से प्लेस पे जाएंगे शाम को डिनर के लिए. सो विच इज़ नियर बाई. यू कैन सी ये हमारा होटल है, स्टे है, एंड सारे होटल आसपास ही है. जस्ट 1 or 2 minute walking distance, which is really good. I would recommend you guys to book your hotel in the city center so that आपको ज़्यादा walking या कोई transport ना लेना पड़े जैसे हमने किया. You saw all the pictures and video here, and that was just 1 minute or 2 minutes from our hotel. Welcome to our Lisbon room tour, and we have not booked something fancy hotel. It's just the basic, and what we wanted to have a hotel center of the city, and that's what we have booked. And we have booked it for 2 nights, which is around 270 euros. So I'm just gonna show you real quick what is included. So here you get a closet here and the safe. We have kept our bag here. Then I would say if you are coming from any American country, get your universal adapter because here the plugs are different. So you can see here it's kind of round. Then you got a phone here. And this is the basic double bed, and again you get drawer here, you can keep it whatever you want. Then this side we got standing shower, and you will have a hair and body gel. Here they fill it every day, and then you get towels. That's it. And if you want anything else, you have to get for yourself. Then there is the washroom. You get a view from your room. So after this, you get a TV here, and this is the desk. You can remove this chair and you can sit. And there is the fridge. Nothing is included. So guys, look at this beautiful hotel. ये बेसिकली पुराने ज़माने का हिस्टोरिक बिल्डिंग था जिसको वो लोग ने अभी रेस्टोरेंट होटल में कन्वर्ट किया है. एंड आई एम जस्ट लविंग द वाइब ऑफ दिस होटल. सो लेट्स गो. सो गाइज आफ्टर आवर चेक इन हम आए अपने रूम पर और हम सो गए. और अभी आफ्टर 4-5 hours of rest we are heading back to the street and we're gonna explore some place. और हम कन्वीनियंस स्टोर भी जाने वाले हैं जहाँ से हमें बेसिकली पानी बाय करना है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. एंड देन वी गोना सी इफ देयर इज़ एनी गुड प्लेस वी लाइक. वी विल गो फॉर डिनर. सो लेट्स सी वेयर वी गोना गो एंड आई एम गोना शो यू हियर. हैप्पी दैट हम लोग ने एग्जैक्टली सिटी में लिया है होटल. एज यू कैन सी द वाइब ऑफ द स्ट्रीट इज जस्ट डाउन योर होटल. आपको सब कुछ मिलता है. स्ट्रीट फूड, इट्स बेसिकली लाइक अ खाऊ गली. सो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. अमेजिंग प्लेस है. एक वहाँ स्टैचू, आई फील लाइक वहाँ बीच टाइप है. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इट इज एग्जैक्टली. सो लेट्स So look at that, guys. It's so amazing. That's a real man. I didn't know that. Guys, look at this beautiful architect. So before entering to that place, it's a beautiful architect. It's so historic. So beside this place there is a small shopping area, guys. You can see where you get a lot of souvenirs. So we're gonna check that later, but first we're gonna see this beautiful place.
So guys, this place used to be a royal palace until it was destroyed by the earthquake that happened in 1755 in Lisbon. So again, it was rebuilt by the King Jose in 19th century, and he designed a large rectangular square in a shape of U, and it has a gallery on the ground floor, and the arms of U ends in the two large tower that you see here. So guys, this statue of King Jose I, he's on his horse and it's symbolically crashing the snakes on his path. So done with a little bit history of this place. Now let's head something refreshing.
Guys, we are at this Ola ice cream place and we're gonna buy something from this place. So let's go. Strawberry cheesecake. After 5-minute walk, we have this amazing place. I'm not sure what it is exactly. I think it is some kind of a museum. We'll find more about it, or maybe हम जाएंगे वो check कर रहे. But in front of that, it's a beautiful harbor walk. You can see people are gathered here. They are enjoying the water. And in the meantime, I got my strawberry cheesecake ice cream. So I'm gonna enjoy this here, which is €3, and let's see how it tastes. Guys, I just got to know that यहाँ पे ये place पे cruise भी होता है, which is basically the sunset cruise. It would be for 2 to 3 hours, and it ranges between 25 to 60 euros. It depends upon what amenities you are selecting, and it should be very pretty. I'm not sure if we will be doing, but yeah, it sounds amazing. There is so many beautiful things I captured here, guys. Look at this guy. He is picking up the stone and then he's painting and making these beautiful. This is so amazing. So guys, these are the cruise that I was talking about. जो कि होता है 2-3 घंटे का. वो आपको एक जगह से दूसरे जगह लेके जाते हैं. They show you the different place. There is music. As you can see, वहाँ पे एक bridge है, which is kind of famous tourist attraction place. वहाँ पे भी लोग जाते हैं. Let's see अगर हम जा रहे हैं कि नहीं. But उधर पे आप देख सकते हैं एक famous statue है. And you can see वहाँ पे एक statue भी है, which is like the statue of Rio de Janeiro. And so there is so many many beautiful places and tourist attraction here, and I am just loving this place. So we're just gonna spend some time here and capture some beautiful pictures. So beside the street there is the boardwalk that we are walking, and then you can see the beach. Guys, अभी हम वॉक कर रहे हैं और यहाँ से कुछ 10-15 मिनट की दूरी पे एक फेमस टूरिस्ट स्पॉट है विच इज़ अ कैथेड्रल, बेसिकली द चर्च, जो हम जा रहे हैं। अभी फ़िलहाल वो बंद होगा, पर हम तो भी आप लोगों को बताएंगे यहाँ ये वीडियो में कि कौन से सारे बेस्ट नियर बाय टूरिस्ट प्लेसेस है। सो लेट्स गो। As you can see, there is a lot of e-bike and scooter options. So if you guys want to explore the place and you don't want to walk too much, you can buy this, rent this, and then you can explore and enjoy the place, and you can keep it anywhere in the city and they're gonna take it from there.
Looks like the church is that way.
So guys, after walking 10-15 minutes and it was a round climb, और हम पहुंच चुके हैं ये चर्च पे, which is really amazing and peaceful place. So I would recommend you guys whenever you are here, please do visit. And Sunday को mostly ये close रहता है, इसलिए हमें अंदर जाने नहीं मिला. Let's see, maybe कल हम जा सके, but never know, हम दूसरा plan भी कर सकते हैं because ये short trip है, as I said before. So let's see, but this is one of the best places, so you guys should not miss on this.
So this is the another amazing place, the castle. We are late to this place. It's just gonna close in 1 hour, so we won't be doing that. But this is the another amazing place you guys should not miss. In front of that, I see the Portuguese snack place. So let's explore what they have got. Before ending this vlog, I'm gonna show you the street walk at this beautiful place, and there's gonna be much more video and all those things what we did here. So that's gonna be the second part, and for that stay tuned, and I know you're definitely gonna love this video and the next part which is coming soon.